Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a pillar machine H49 horizontal bore and dowel insertion machine. This machine was rebuilt by Pillar in 2019. That rebuild included a new computer. And remember, your computer is your touchscreen, and obviously there was a software update then as well. New motion control card, new servo drive. This machine was cleaned, painted, and anything that was worn was replaced. On top of this, if you take a look, this machine has not seen much use since being rebuilt. If we look around back, it is clean top to bottom, inside out. It will shoot water or glue. The pillar machine H49 is intuitive and really easy to use. You're simply going to come in, open your programs, choose your programs. We're going to choose drawer front. You can also obviously write a program. After you choose drawer front, you would hit OK. You can choose then to run the program, and you can also do a dry run. We're going to choose to run the program. Green is for go. The H49, the 49 stands for a 49-inch width capacity. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.